Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ready to dive into the fascinating world of ancient remedies and cutting-edge science? Today we're exploring the intriguing potential of Chrism oil and the fertile ground hypothesis in modern medicine. First, let's break down the fertile ground hypothesis. Chronic stress isn't just a mental burden, it creates a physiological environment ripe for disease to thrive. Think oxidative stress, systemic inflammation, and even changes to our DNA. These stress-induced changes act like a preconditioned state, setting the stage for various health issues. Now, what if I told you there's an ancient remedy that could intervene in this process? Enter Chrism oil. This oil has deep historical roots, possibly dating back to ancient Egypt. It's even mentioned in the Bible, specifically in Exodus 30:22-33. However, due to a mistranslation from Hebrew to Greek, its true composition was obscured for centuries. So, what's in Chrism oil when corrected? The recipe includes olive oil, cannabis extract, cassia, myrrh, and cinnamon. Each ingredient has unique properties. For example, olive oil is a great antioxidant and helps with absorption. Cannabis extract has anti-inflammatory benefits, while cassia and myrrh offer antimicrobial and wound healing properties. Cinnamon adds metabolic regulation and more antioxidant power. But how does it work? Preliminary clinical observations suggest Chrism oil might target stressed tissues. When applied, some users experience a burning or tingling sensation at inflamed or stressed areas. This could be a diagnostic response indicating where the oil is needed most. The oil's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects could help lower reactive oxygen species and reduce inflammation. There's also potential for improved microcirculation, which means better blood flow and cellular repair. Let's talk about the real-world observations. In cases of arthritis, users reported significant pain relief and improved mobility. For wound healing, especially in diabetic or infected wounds, Chrism oil enhanced the healing process. There are even anecdotal reports of tumor regression and seizure reduction in oncology patients, though this needs more research. So, what's the takeaway? The fertile ground hypothesis suggests that by addressing stress-induced changes in our bodies, we might prevent or even reverse disease progression. Chrism oil, with its blend of ancient wisdom and modern scientific backing, presents a promising avenue for further exploration. Remember, while these findings are exciting, controlled studies are crucial to validate these preliminary observations. Always consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new treatments or remedies. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Until next time, stay healthy and curious.